Burping isn't one size fits all. Some babies need a little help releasing air, so try different positions. You can try upright over your shoulder, giving pats and gentle rubs. You can even lay them down in your arm like this or in your lap while you're sitting and burp them supporting their neck like this. Or you can sit them up in your lap and burp them while you support them and they sit. Babies can swallow air during feeds, so giving them an opportunity halfway through and then at the end can help reduce fussiness and spit up. If they relax, stop squirming, and even let out a little burp, then you're doing it right. And if they don't burp every time, that's okay too.